Okay guys, if you are constantly doing laundry like me and you need a place to hang it and you've already consumed all the shelves in your laundry room, then you'll definitely want to listen up about this freestanding rack right here. It does have the four wheels at the bottom, which you think are going to be super, like, you know, flimsy and everything, but let me tell you, my child, he's 16 and he's 6'5", so his jeans and pants weigh a lot. So once I dry him on this rack, then I move him over there for him to come get and take to his room. But my point is, this thing has never fallen or, you know, these things haven't broken or anything. And it's super lightweight, so you don't have to struggle to move it around the room if you need to. I've even collapsed it down and taken it outside so the son could dry his clothes quicker. This piece just slides right down. It has the easy button right here and right here to fold the arms down. It's very easy to use. I can put, you know, 3 or 4 pairs of pants on each arm, and it really serves the purpose. I really was worried that it wasn't going to stand up nicely with all the weight of the clothes, but it has done a fabulous job. Even the cat approves, of course. So definitely a thumbs up, and if you're watching, have a great day.